Okay, so here we are at the end of my editing, and this video is just to show you really quickly how to save things, how I want you to save them, and then also how to turn them in and upload them to Google Drive, which is just going to be super simple, but it's nice to get in the habit of doing this because you will be doing pretty much the same thing for every project we have as far as saving and turning things in. Okay, so I have my photo here. It's all edited and ready to go. I'm all done with it. So I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to go to Save. Then I'm prompted. This window for Save Image comes up. And here I can adjust my name, and I can also change the format. Unless I say otherwise, in the actual assignment, for all our purposes, we're mostly going to be using JPEG, which is automatically going to be saved to it. But you can see right away that we have some other formats that are good, but not for our purposes. So we're going to go ahead and just keep it with JPEG. For the name of these, I want you to number them and then assign them whatever number on your scavenger hunt they were. So for example, if this was something green, because the trees are green, I would go ahead and name this number 6, and then something green. So that is my name of the picture. And then I can click OK. And then I have one more prompt. Keep in mind that I'm working on a Mac, so it's going to look a little bit different, but you should be prompted and it's going to ask you where exactly do you want to put this. This is already going to my desktop, but I actually want to expand this because on my desktop I have a folder called Merrill_scavenger hunt, and that is the name of the folder that you want for this, this project. So you should have your last names, 2 or 3 of you, whoever was in the group, and then _scavenger hunt. And then in here, you're going to have your 14 photos of what you took. So I want to save it in here, and then I can just click OK and save. And then I can go into my folder on my desktop, and I can see that my photo's saved. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and pretend that I have all 14 photos in my folder for scavenger hunts. I'm going to really quickly show you how to get onto Google Drive so you can turn things into me. So I'm already logged into my email. I have my email here. All of you have an ACS email. And next to your name, you have these boxes right here. When you click on these boxes, you're going to have all your Google different apps, Google apps. And the one that we're concerned about right now is the Drive. This is also really handy to download to your phone if you are uploading pictures directly from your phone. If you go ahead and just download the free app for Google Drive, it's going to be a lot easier to actually get to things and keep track of things. So when you get to your Drive, it's going to look like this. You have a couple options over here on the side menu. If you're uploading directly from your Google Photo app, some of you have that, that'll be right in here. Otherwise, you're going to be in My Drive, and you can actually create different folders within your Drive to keep track of different assignments or different groups of photos, okay? Now, the easiest thing about using this app is all you have to do is click and drag. So over, let's see, just going to quickly move this. So over here on my desktop, I have my scavenger hunt folder, and all I have to do is click and drag it on, and right away it says drop your files to instantly upload them to the Drive. And then you can see they're uploading right here. Once it's done, it will do a little pop-up on the side to let you know that your entire folder has been uploaded. And when it's uploaded, you'll have the name of your folder right here. Oops, let me just move this. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see Share. This is how you're going to turn things in. So imagine that this says Turn In or Share, okay? So I'm going to click Share, and now you have the option to share with others. And who you want to share it with is me, because you're turning it into me. So in case you forgot my name, it is Mackenzie Bell Merrill. And this is also on the Moodle site if you forget. You can also just type in my email address, which is merrillm@acs.gr. But once you start typing it in, you will automatically see it pop up. So you just want to click on that. Make sure that you give me the editing so I can see exactly what you did with your photos. And that's all you have to do. And then you can even send a note if you want to. So scavenger hunt editing project. and then you're just going to hit send. And then you always want to double check with me to make sure that I got it, but I should have it just right in mine, and then you're all set because you have turned it in. And you can actually click on yours and you can see exactly what's in it. So Google Drive is going to be really great, not only to turn things in, but so you can actually keep track of all your assignments. So if you end up losing something or losing your USB drive, it's all going to be online for you, which is really, really handy. So get in the habit of using Google Drive for every project, because like I said, it's how you're going to be turning things in. If you have any questions about what I just went over, just put pause and ask me, or just watch the video again. It's pretty straightforward. That's how you're going to be turning in things. Just make sure that all of your photos, just like this one, are labeled. You should have 1 through 14, and that they're all in a folder called your last name _ scavenger hunt, so you can keep track of what exactly your photos are and your assignments are. Okay, so that ends this, and all right, thanks.